Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to allow notifications from apps in personal focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, click apps under the notifications. Then after that, in the notifications, you will see that the allow notifications from is disabled. And all you have to do is click it to enable until there's a check mark on the side. When the allow notifications is enabled, the personal focus is on, notifications from apps and you will select will be allowed. All others will be silenced and sent to notification center. And that's it. We have successfully allowed notifications from apps in personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.